Hello, this is Chris with ElevateNet doing another simple unboxing. We're working on setting up a number of different things here for another event we're doing. This is a 5-pack G3 camera system, so this is the UVC-G3-AF. These are all IP cameras and fully PoE. You can see they are rated for exterior. So I'm just going to go ahead here, and this is a simple one, so I'm one-hand unboxing on this guy. Pull off the standard white sleeve that they've been going to here, and on the inside is just another box. Alright, this is what we're looking like when we open it up. So they've changed some of the ways that these are boxed here. They've got some nice advertisement in here, just talking about the whole Unify and video line. So it looks like just a 24-port switch there, as well as some of the interfaces for the GUI on the server side as well as from the mobile side. So this is the 5-pack. Obviously there's 5 different cameras here. These are the G3s. They are night vision. They do have, when you pull them out here, on the bottom is just a little expansion port for an additional IR ring. It just extends the night vision capability of these cameras. Pull it out. And this little plate here, this is what actually ends up screwing to the base of the camera mount itself. So here at the base of the camera, if you want to mount this to a pole, then this screws right to the base of that, and then your strap here goes through this. It's actually a pretty nice setup. Let's bring one of these outside of the plastic. So everything is entirely adjustable here, what's kind of nice. You can adjust this ring to open everything up and actually get to where the RJ45 port is. And beyond that, that allows for a little bit of adjustments there. The base here, you can loosen this up here, and then you've got the ball, so it allows for some rotation, both in the circular as well as up and down. Depending on what you're looking to actually do as far as your viewpoint, you might have to tweak this. I've had points where you'll have this all the way to the side to allow your camera to kind of pivot off to one way and then twist based on getting a good view on that. Let's pull these out. At the bottom of the box here, or along with each one of these, you do have just some mounting screws. The inlets that I don't typically end up using that you can put into drywall or whatever it may be to help give a little bit of a grab, as well as the rubberized weathering there. And then here is that standard booklet that we're pretty much used to. Just indicates the default IP of 1.20 for all these cameras, unless you are on DHCP. If you do have a DHCP network, they will grab IP addresses automatically. And that's pretty much the end of it. Every single one of these comes with a mounting plate, comes with the screw pack, comes with all of the adjusting pieces that you need. One thing I did notice here that you do not get is the actual straps. So the straps, if you are mounting to a pole and you are using this plate, that does not come with the standard Unify or Ubiquity mount, and this is one that I have from other products. So again, this is what's not included. If you do want to mount to a pole, you have to make sure to have these along with you, so don't get to a job site or something and realize you do not have this. So again, this is Chris with ElevateNet doing another unboxing of the UVC-G3 AF with night vision. Thank you for watching.